Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter this site cannot be reached when you open any URL in your browser, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is to do a network reset. So right click on the Windows tab on the start button, look for settings, look for system or network and internet, and then click on advanced network settings, go to network reset and then click on reset now and then open the browser to see whether the URL is connecting. If you get the same error, then it could probably be your cache and your extensions that are blocking it. So look for history, delete browsing data, select time range all time, check the boxes, especially the cached images and cookies, and click on delete data. Also go on the three dots here and go to extensions, manage extensions, and then make sure that all the plugins have been disabled. If there is any security plugin like McAfee Security Advisor, then you need to remove it. It's better if you remove it, but you can also switch it off if you do not want to remove it. Now the next thing to do is to go to the folder or click on File Explorer and then click on the C drive. In the C drive, look at Windows, go for System32 and we will look for drivers. There it is. And we will look for the folder etc and then we will copy the host file and we will paste it on the desktop. Now we are doing this just to check if the host file contains any command to block the specific URL that you're accessing. So click on open with on the host file and then click on notepad and click on just once. All right, and check here if any command is there which is blocking your URL or website, and if it is, then just delete that line and then open the browser again and you should be able to access the particular URL. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.